YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with another ICAD challenge for the 757 Crafty Sophisticated Crew. We changed, well, I changed our name to 757 Sophisticated Crafters. Anyway, this says metallic thread, so we have to make an ICAD with metallic thread on it. Color your choice. So I'm going to use this 4x6 110-pound black cardstock, and then I am going to adhere this pattern paper, this black and white, and hopefully it will adhere like I want it. Okay, of course not, but no. Okay, so anyway, got this 4x6. I'm going to use the Spellbinders stamp, and I am going to actually, I want to emboss. I don't know how well it's going to show up, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to emboss this frame. So we pray it works. Let me make sure. I did that. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so I don't know why I feel like I always got to do that 100 times. Let's stamp that and pray that it stays within the paper range, because this is kind of wonky that I'm not sure if it's going to stay on the paper. I'll go off the paper. I'm worried it's going off, but hopefully it stays. Let's see it on that side. I don't see it over there. One of the things that we're doing with the ICADs is just encouraging ourselves to be creative. We have our little list of prompts. And we are making things. The prompts just help us with, to think of something to be creative, but you don't have to use a prompt to make an ICAD. It's just an index card, and you just decorate it. 3x5, 4x6. The prompts just say, okay, this is your little challenge. Some people do 2 or 3 prompts. We're just doing one. You don't see that side too well. I see the rest of it, but I mean, I do see it, but I don't know how good or what it's going to show up. Maybe it's just the lighting, because the lighting is terrible in this room. But anyway, I'm glad you guys are watching. Hopefully it's inspiring you to try something different, something new. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going to take it off of here, and I'm just going to heat emboss. So I am going to heat emboss. In case I know it's bothering you. Oh Lord, and he put the glitter on it. Jesus. That embossing powder. Alright. We're going to see how this goes. And hopefully it comes out like I want it to look. Okay, didn't need that much. Never had that much come out before, but that's because I am on camera. I'm telling you, it's like Murphy's Law. If I wasn't on camera, I do not have as much trouble, but you be on camera and bam. You can't find something. Something's going to fall, something's going to spill. It's just, I think maybe because you're more tense when you're trying to do something different. I don't know. That's not what I was looking for. But, it is what it is. I don't mind people see me not being perfect, because crafters always make mistakes. A good crafter just knows how to cover it up, keep moving. Especially if you're not being sold to somebody, you're just doing this for yourself. So it's not being traded or sold. And you know, I used to first throw away a lot of the old stuff I made when I first started, especially the comedian. I threw away a lot of stuff because I was like, eh. But then I said, this is the best part of the journey. And I said, you know what, you're right. It is part of who you are. I ain't keeping everything accurate though. But like in art journal kind of stuff, some of that I probably would, because it helped me understand what I didn't do well and learn from it, or how I was expressing myself. But if it was an art journal, yeah, I think I'd throw it away. But it's not as stressful anymore. I don't stress out over it unless I'm giving it to somebody. So now I'm just gonna heat and emboss it. I'm sure most of you guys have all done this before. Just heating and embossing this up. Good, see? That's just my plug. I moved it and pulled it out of the socket. It's not gonna be a strong, what I'm looking for, strong, hopefully you get to see it. It won't be stronger than one of it, but it's okay. And this is just going to set it and heat it. And this just gives me my little frame that I wanted. Alright. So, sorry about that noise if it bothers you. And the lighting is bad. It is out now. Oh my gosh, 3 something in the morning. 3:12. So that is it. You probably can't see that too well, but there is a little gold frame, especially with this light. And then I am just going to use the silver doily in the middle. I will get to my threads. Yeah. Summer is coming to an end. It's gone. September. It's almost officially over. Alright, so that is inside the boundaries of the border. And then I'm taking this stamp right here. I already have it stamped out. I am keeping it black and white. I wanted it black and white, and I am going to, I just put a little touch on her lips, and then I am going to use her. I'll do a little bit more color on her hair, right quick. And then that is going to be it for her. So I have my Spectrum Noir. I'm just doing a little bit of coloring on her hair. I'm not even doing, I probably could have left it like it was. I already cut some of it off. Alright. She is going to be my focal image. And I'm doing something I don't typically do, which is that I am keeping her black and white. I normally would color an image, but I don't know, I just thought she was so cute. Black and white. And I could have heat embossed her or something, but I didn't because I had just stamped all my stamps out and I didn't think about it till after. But anyway, I wish you could see this frame a little better, but she's like in a Polaroid. That I didn't even put her down quite yet. But I'm pulling out my metallic thread. And then I am going to use some silver and some gold thread. Dangerous with the silver. Dangerous, dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous. And I think I'm going to add maybe a button or something. corner over here. I like adding metallic thread, so I had a roll somewhere around here red, you know me, and I cannot find it. And this thread costs almost $6 a roll. So I want to hear it now, and then I'll put something on top of it. I don't know what I'll put on it. Maybe, I was thinking, like I said, a button. And maybe, I'm going to put a little bit of tape or flower. I could do flower. I don't want it two-dimensional because I want it to fit. Oh, that's a lot of thread. But that's all good. Okay. Don't want it on her face though. I should have put up my elements. I don't think I'm going to put a stencil on this one. I don't know. And then, let's put this top over here. Isn't she such a cute stamp? Look at that so far. Oh my god. And then I want to put, maybe I'll put a button on her or something. And let's see if I can find something that could, I don't know. I think I'm going to put a black flower. And it goes with something. Okay, I'm back. I didn't even heat my glue gun up. But I have the gold and silver thread right here, and I know I can't see nothing. But I'm just going to put these flowers here. And then, tell me what I'm going to do with sentiment or not. Haven't decided. Actually, I don't think I'm going to use my E6000. We'll see though. I just love this stamp. I think she is so good. She's adorable. I can't think of what sentiment I want to put on it. But I am going to find a sentiment. Oh, I think, I'm going to use the rub on then. You know what? I don't feel like stamping anything out. That's pink. I don't know how I feel about pink. It's not the devil, but it's close, okay? I know y'all like, what did she just say about pink? Yeah, I said the bad word. I said it's the devil, but I'm just joking. I'm just teasing. Don't get upset. That's bad when you don't want to type it out. I don't want that. Let's see chit chat. Let's see what we got over here. What can we say? What can we say? And then I'm going to call it a day. Once I find I think I might just put beauty or beautiful. Or blessed. I don't know which word I want to put here. How about grateful? Something that this world needs right now, to be grateful for Things are too fast. Okay, I'm gonna call it quits while I start messing it up. So that is my ICAD. So again, my theme was metallic thread, and I have silver and gold metallic thread right under those flowers. If you can see it, it's a lot of thread right here. And that is my ICAD. And I think the last thing that I'm going to do is I am going to go around and do any gold line or silver. One of these pins. I think I'm going to go because I got gold frame. And of course, because I said that, it is like, where did it go? And then that will be the end of this. Hopefully it won't look bad. These things will get you a contact, man. Woo! I don't know why it's so strong. I guess it's whatever it takes to make it stay inside of this pen. Anyway, I just been rambling on. Just took y'all on for the ride. I thank you for your time, for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I hope you play along. If you do, hashtag 757 ICAD Challenge. And hopefully you've been entertained and inspired. So again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.